What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life.
Hey loves, it's Brianna. In today's video, we are going to be back to school prepping, all things back to school. School supplies, school lunch ideas, doing some closet organization and back to school outfit planning. And I've just got some tips and tricks that I've learned over the years to sort of make the back to school routine and transition a little bit easier. So tons of motivation in this video as you can prep for back to school with me. I know I always need ideas for school lunches. I feel for whatever reason like it's just really hard. So I've looked up some ones that I know, like I have sort of picky eaters. They're not like super picky, but they're a little bit picky. But I feel like they will love all of these and they're different and unique. And I am going to use those bento boxes that I shared with you earlier to make all of these lunches. So I feel like they work really well if you have one of those bento boxes. All right, so first I'm gonna take this Nature Valley protein granola and put it in the first section. And then I have some Chobani Greek yogurt that I'm putting in the second section. And then I'm using these little clear salad dressing cups to section off some of the fruit and add in a plastic spoon as well. And there you go, a little fruit and yogurt parfait bento box. All right, this next bento box is like the Lunchables pizzas. So you get these little mini pita breads, some pizza sauce, the mini pepperonis, some mozzarella cheese, and I just put some grapes in there for fruit as well. And you've kind of got a homemade version of those pizza Lunchables. All right, this is another breakfast themed one, but I feel like my kids always love to eat breakfast. So this is a bagel, cream cheese, some nuts, and then some berries. And this bento box has a quesadilla with some salsa and peppers and cucumbers. So I love this one because my kids, these are like their favorite two veggies. They love the crunch of them. And I feel like everybody loves cheese quesadillas. So this is a good one, especially for my picky eaters. And this box is so fun. I love these little skewers with the grapes and the cheese cubes and the turkey. And then I just added some more fruits, some blueberries and strawberries, and then some more of those crunchy peppers that my kids like. The one thing I feel like when you make these, you know, if your kids don't like peppers, sub in popcorn or crackers or something else that, you know, they like. But I was trying to make these as full of like the fruits and veggies and then the proteins that I know that they like to eat. I wanted to show you guys these checklists I made to help the back to school morning routine go smoothly. I'll definitely do a back to school morning routine video if you would like. Let me know down in the comments. But I found this dry erase board at Target and I got the stickers from the craft store and just wrote each Landon and Presley's name on these and just sort of the order that their routine should be in every single morning. And then this way they'll be able to just sort of check everything off. But I got puffy paint to make the little squares. So that's kind of the last thing I have to do to finish off making this little checklist for their morning routines.
Loving me was all you tried when you were around. I've been told too many times now. Yeah, loving me was all you tried when you were around. I've been told too many times now. But somewhere I go run and hide, looking for a new start. Yeah, somewhere I go run and hide, looking for a new start, for a new start. Looking for a new, looking for a new, looking for a new, looking for a new. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, don't wanna be stuck in this town. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, looking for a new start.
And you may have noticed I did decorate for fall. So the 2023 Fall Clean and Decorate With Me video will be coming very soon. Make sure you have your notifications turned on for that. But I did just want to take a minute to say thank you so much for your support with Cap and Queen. We had our soft launch last week and I cannot tell you. Like, I'm so just overwhelmed by the support and how many of you ordered, and just thank you so very much. I know a lot of you have asked about fall scents as well, and I did want to let you know we are going to be doing a fall scent pre-order very soon. So also be on the lookout for that. I'll probably talk about it over on Instagram as well when we have an official date picked for when the pre-order is going to happen. So be on the lookout for that, and just thank you again so very much. All right, I'm in Presley's room and going to put away some of the things I got for her for back to school into her closet. But I kind of wanted to do just like a little haul of some of the stuff I got for her. So I'll lay it out on the floor and film it. Yeah, here's the outfit all laid out. So I just love that little skirt. I feel like it's so cute within that white top. And I got the sweater for when it gets cooler if she wants to take it, because a lot of times the air conditioning is turned up at school really bad too. And then those brown boots to go with it. Then I thought this was the cutest little Halloween shirt. This is Hey Boo with some black leggings then to go with that outfit. Those I'm just gonna fold and put in her drawers, I think. This is another outfit I was thinking she could wear, not the first day of school, definitely the first week of school. It just gave me total 90s Spice Girl, Clueless kind of vibes. I love that. It's so adorable. And then they had this is like a skirt, which I love for little girls, skirts to wear. And this leopard has a hood on it. I love the colors of that for fall. It kind of has like the orange and maroons. And then I got some maroon colored leggings to go with that. And this top just, you know, I feel like a white tee is great just for everything. But I just love this rust colored shirt then too. I feel like for fall it's so cute with like little ruffle on the sleeves as well. And then I had to get these pajamas. I thought those were so cute with the deer. I just love the color on them. And then on the other side there's a pair of striped ones. So some nice fall pajamas. And then for Halloween I got all of the kids these pajamas. They're all like coordinated in their different sizes. So I thought that those were really fun too. Alright, and here's some of the clothes that I got for Hay for fall. I got them just like a black zip up, and I thought these rust colored pants were really cute too. And a little Red Hot Chili Pepper shirt to go with that. I figured that could kind of be an outfit. I always like to shop in outfits. Those bat pajamas that I got for all of the kids. So these little, they're like pull-on joggers. They're sort of like a black colored with a Johnny Cash tee. And then I loved these. They're almost like that like rain resistant sort of material, but I love the color with the black zippers. So a little black thermal to go with that. And I just love these thermals that they had at Target. I thought that one was really cute. Some maroon and some maroon pants then to go with it. And I just love this little flannel. Isn't that such cute colors for fall? And I got some khakis to go with that. That can kind of be like his like dress up fall outfit. And then I got him some pull-on blue jeans with this thermal. I liked those colors too for fall. And I got him one extra just like maroon striped shirt that I thought could go with those maroon pants, or really like any of those pants over there. And he needed some socks.
Don't wanna be down, looking for a new start. Can't you see that I just need to be by myself?
And then here are the outfits that I got for Landon for back to school. Right, this is the outfit we were thinking for his first day of school, because he always says he wants to drive a Bronco someday. So we found that Ford Bronco tee with the shorts, and then that flannel in case it gets cold, but that will look cute together when it starts to get cooler too. And he needed new socks, and these are his back to school shoes. And then I loved this flannel for fall with then some black pants. And then he picked out these two different hoodies that they had, and he wanted the joggers because they were really, really soft. And he told me he had to have the Minecraft and the Pokemon shirts. So, and I just love Henleys on boys, but I love these colors for fall too. I thought the tan and that sort of rusty red color was really cute too.
I have told you many times now, Yeah, can't you see that I just need to be by myself? I have told you many times now, but somewhere going high, looking for a new start. Yeah, somewhere going high, looking for a new start, for a new start. Looking for a new, looking for a new, looking for a new.
I ordered some fall tops from Amazon, and I haven't tried them on yet. Besides, I did try this one on, and I was like, "Ooh, I'm gonna wear this today for the video," because I thought it was really, really cute. I like how the sleeves, like, do you see the, focus it. See, like, the button detail on the sleeves and, like, the little kind of people. I thought those were really cute, but I think they have this in, like, a ton of colors, too. But I figured I would try some on for you in case you're looking for cute, affordable tops for this fall. Okay, I always like tees that have stuff, like, on the sleeves. I feel like they're really cute, but I figured we live in Cleveland, so we cheer for the Browns. So for like a Browns game or something like that, I thought that this would be really cute. Okay, and then they had like a longer sleeved version of it, which again, I got it in the orange, but there was like a bunch of colors. But I always like, I don't know why, I like when there's like detail on the shoulders. And then you never know flannels if you're gonna like end up looking like a lumberjack. I don't know. Should I keep this one, or... I really liked the colors of it though. I thought it was really pretty colors for fall. And then this sweater, I loved the colors and the stripes. I thought it'd be really cute for doing Halloween kind of content that I do too. But it's really, really soft and comfortable, but it's not like super heavy. So I like this one. And I always love this wine color for fall, but I thought the sleeves on this one looked really cool. And it was one of those is like, it could get here and not be cute. But I actually think it is really cute on. It's a little bit, I wouldn't say long enough maybe to just wear with leggings by themselves, but it is a little bit like longer that you can like tuck it in and make it kind of flowy and cute. And then this one, I thought the color would be really fun for fall, but it's more to me like a going out top, like pair it with like really cute jeans and heels and fun jewelry. Like, I think the picture had like a big chunky gold necklace, like that would look so cute with this. But I don't know, you tell me. Keep it or return it. This sweater is another one where the colors just screamed fall to me. I was like, I love that. I was honestly hoping it would have been just a tad bit longer. I mean, I guess it just covers my butt. Like, this is one I really wanted to wear with leggings. I mean, I think I could. It covers my butt. Probably just have to be really careful washing it. And it is sort of like, I think on the model it looked a little oversized. Like if you wore like a really cute like tank or bralette, like a lacy one underneath, I feel like this would look so cute for fall. Pockets, and it's basically like they're very monochrome. So I don't know, do we like this? Should I keep this? Should I return it? I don't know, let me know. But I will put the links to all of these down below in case there's anything that you want to try for yourself this fall, because I know I'm always just looking for kind of go-to tops that are really cute but don't break the bank. All right, to keep all the supplies organized this year, I had these baskets and bins just kind of on hand, and anytime I picked up any of the school supplies that I needed, just added them to this basket. So this is Presley's, and I wanted to share these with you guys because my friends over at Sweet Hometown Co. made these, and I think that they're so amazing. They have each of the kids' names, and it says first day of, so you write it in like with a dry erase marker, but it's removable because then there's another piece that says last day of school. So you can take their first day and last day of pictures every single school year. I thought that these were so awesome for them. I wanted to share. I'll link their like small shop down below. But I figured I would do just like a little school supply haul of some of the things that I thought were really cool. And then I got these stickers on Amazon for each of the kids. I actually switched. These are Landon's and these are Presley's. But these are from like a small shop on Amazon. And I love them because it has the kids' names on them. So instead of having to with a Sharpie, which you've seen me do years past in back to school prep videos, their names right on here. It said all of these are dishwasher safe. So if you have cups or daycare, like I got even like these bento boxes that I know I'll be washing, like I can put right there, I'll put the sticker on there, and it's dishwasher safe. So that's what I'm gonna be doing with a lot of these school supplies then too. I got the smallest size so that they can go on markers, because they even say like they want their markers labeled and all that kind of stuff. So the other cool stuff, I think I showed you just now, like the bento box for all of their school lunches. This is Pesley's. It has unicorns on it. It's pink. It's really cute. And then Landon's has the blue stars. But then lunch boxes this year. This is the one that I got for Landon. I thought that was really cute with like the blue checks on it. And then Presley's is this tie-dyed one with like the different pinks and aquas. I thought that was really cute too. The other thing that I'm really excited about these, they had these neon pencils. I just thought that those were really fun. They're just a little different. And they had scented Elmer's glue, which the kids are really excited about these too. So I figured I would share that. Let's see if there's anything else cool in here. It's kind of all the basic stuff. Like they needed pencil pouches. They asked for a lot of different like pouch things. They asked for a pencil pouch. They asked for a plastic supply case. And then they wanted an extra lunch bag for, they said, art supplies. They said like a soft shell lunch bag. So I figured they can use the new ones for like their school lunch, and they can use their lunch bags from last year for them, the art supplies. Then the bento boxes, scissors, because they got the pink glitter ones. She wanted those. Markers, dry erase markers. Both of them needed highlighters this year, so I feel like yours passed. They didn't ask for those. Index cards, big markers. They needed headphones. They needed dry erase board erasers, glue, crayons. What else? Just a bunch. There was like a bunch of different colored folders that they needed this year too, and a black binder. So got all their stuff, and I'm just gonna label it all now.
Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day.
But thank you so much for doing all of this back to school prep with me. And again, thank you so much for your support with Cap and Clean. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next at my fall clean and decorate with me video for 2023. Bye, loves.
Come alive in the nighttime. Something about